Here comes Booba.
Booba, everything okay? Booba, what's in the box? Can I take a look?
What's inside the box?
So I have to guess? Okay, then can you give me a hint first?
Yes, we need a hint.
Is it a xylophone?
Is it a xylophone?
Okay, so I need you to give me a second hint. You're hitting something on the wall, so is it a hammer?
Could it be a hammer?
So can you give me one last clue, please? Okay, first I thought it was a xylophone. Then I thought it was a hammer. Could it be a drum? Cool, can I open the box now, Booba?
Could it be a drum? It's a drum!
Booba! I got it right! It's really a drum! We make a great team! Booba, I'll play for you to dance to, okay?
What a cool song! See you next time, friends. The Booba Show. Here comes Booba.
Oh, are you okay, Booba? What a pretty box you brought. What's inside? Can you give me a hint?
Yes, Booba, give us a hint.
Ah, he's driving. It's a steering wheel. Beep, beep.
Is it a steering wheel?
Okay, then I need one more hint. Are you inflating something? An air pump to inflate balls. And boom! What a great defense.
Is it an air pump?
No? Okay, then give me one more hint. Just one more. Slow down, Booba. Wait. I need to think a little. Let's see. First I thought it was a steering wheel. Then I thought it was an air pump. But now you're spinning and you're pressing something. So it must be... Oh, a spinning top! Can we open the box now, Booba?
Is it a spinning top? She got it right!
Cool, a spinning top! We make a great team, Booba. Come on, let's play with the spinning top.
How fun!
Yay!
time, friends. The Booba Show. Here comes Booba.
Hi, Booba. What a pretty box you've got. Can I open it up?
What's in the box?
Oh, okay. Well, can you give me a clue then?
Yes, can you give us a clue?
Wait, are you wearing a hat?
Is it a hat?
No. Can you give me another clue? Aha! You're moving like a DJ, so it must be a record.
Is it a record?
No? Then how about one final clue? Uh-huh. Let me think. Here you are. So, first I thought it was a hat. Then I thought it was a record. But now I think it's gotta be headphones. Am I right? Great, let's open the box. Shall we?
Is it headphones? It is headphones.
Hooray! I was right! Headphones! Let's dance!
What an awesome beat! A real disco. Bye-bye. See you next time. The Booba Show. Here comes Booba.
Oh, hi, Booba! Wow, what a cool box you've got! Can I see what's inside?
Yes, what's in the box?
Okay, can I have a clue then?
Yes, can we have a clue?
Uh-huh, you're dipping something. Booba, you're painting, and I think it's a brush.
Is it a brush?
All right, can I have another clue? Maybe it's a kite?
Is it a kite?
Oops, wrong again. Well, can you give me the last clue?
I wonder what it...
So, first I thought it was a brush, then I thought it was a kite, and now I think it's a soap bubble maker. Okay, let's check. Open it, Booba.
It is so Bubbles.
I guessed it. Come on, Booba. Let's play. This is so fun!
What a joyful game. Look at all the bubbles.
So cool!
Hey! Ho! Woohoo! Hey! Ho! Ho! Hey! Hey! Ho! Hey! 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 Yeah! Ho! Ho! Hey! What? Hey! Woo!
Bye-bye, friends. The Booba Show. Here comes Booba.
Booba, hi!
Hey!
Booba, what's in the box?
Yes, what's in the box?
Can I open it? No. Do I have to guess? Then can you give me the first clue, please?
Yes, can you give us a clue?
Is it a rattle?
Is it a rattle?
Can you give me the second clue, please? Is it maracas?
Is it maracas?
Well, can you give me the last clue, please? At first, I thought it was a rattle. Then I thought it was maracas. Is it a tambourine? Can we open the box now? Hooray! I guessed it! It's a tambourine!
It is a tambourine.
We're such a great team! It's so much fun!
That was a lot of fun. Until next time, my friends. Here comes Booba.
Oh, hi, Booba. Booba, what a beautiful box. But what's in it?
Yes, what's in the box?
Okay, can you give me a clue then?
Yes, can you give us a clue?
Oh, I get it. We are playing tennis. Maybe it is a tennis racket?
So it's a tennis racket?
Okay. Can you give me another clue? What are you trying to do? Are you catching something with your hands? Maybe it's a butterfly.
Is it butterfly?
Well, can you give me one last clue? Well. At first I thought it was a tennis racket. Then I thought it was a butterfly. And now I think it must be a butterfly net.
Is it a butterfly net?
All right, let's go take a look. I'll count to 3 and open. 1, 2, 3. Yay, Booba! I got it!
It is a butterfly net.
All right, you fly and I'll catch you now.
That's a lot of fun.
Got ya! I told you I'll do it. Now I'll be the butterfly.
Woohoo!